Would you believe me if I told you I installed this gorgeous girl straight out of the box in 5 minutes or less? If you don't believe me, the proof is in the pudding. I'm going to be giving you all the details on how I installed this beautiful reddish brown lace wig courtesy of Faba Wigs. So if you're interested in seeing how we got this look, the install, and all of the deets, let's get started. Okay, ladies, jumping right into it. You gotta have a brown wig cap or a wig cap that fits similar to your skin tone. You can definitely go in and add foundation powder over yours, but I'm gonna keep it as is. This is our beautiful wig straight out of the box. We went for a 22-inch reddish brown pre-cut lace wig. This is a look at the inside construction of the cap. They did include the adjustable elastic band, and then you have that nice zigzag shaped lace that's going to act as camouflage and give you a really good look. So this is what the wig looks like on. You see here that they even added the baby hair for you. So this is going to make it super simple and easy to install and style. At this point, I wanted you guys to see it was 7:20 in the morning and I had not been to sleep. I don't know what it is, but my sleep schedule has been insane, and I'm ready for it to be normal. I'm ready to be a 10 p.m. bedtime girly, waking up at the crack of dawn, getting my 8 hours of sleep every day, drinking my water, eating my fruit, minding my business. But for now, we are sleep deprived and fighting with insomnia. Anyways, I'm showing you guys the wig in all of its glory. You could do center part, side part, and that is the great thing about doing a frontal. Again, this is what it looks like from the hairline. They did give us pre-cut lace as well as pre-set baby hair. So I'm going to start off by making out a center part. You could definitely go for a side part as you guys seen, but a center part just seems like what works best for me here. So I went ahead and added my wax, and I did go in generously. Once I applied the wax, it makes it easier to get a really bone straight, perfect bust out middle part because it kind of like lays the hair down and tames it. You're able to part the hair and not have to worry about the flyaways chasing the comb. Once I got it how I like it, I'm going to go ahead with the electric hot comb on a high heat setting and really go in and just press that area down really good. So I spend a lot of time in this step really making sure I get it nice and smooth. Be sure to do this to the back as well because you want every area of this to be super flat. Once I got it how I like it, I'm going to pull the hair back with some clips and go ahead and just melt the lace. Today we're using the bed head because we don't use even, and I'm going to go ahead and spray a light layer. Once I have the layer down, let's go ahead and just work it in and allow it to dry and set. The great thing about this wig is that it does fit glueless. So you guys see how I added that product to help it to melt, but I did not have to necessarily go in and use the melt belt right away to go ahead and let it dry. It's going to air dry and it's going to bond down perfectly. Now from here, I went ahead and tweezed that baby hair that they provided. I just wanted it a little bit thinner. You can definitely do your baby hair how you like. And guess what? If you don't like the baby hair, you can definitely send that baby hair straight back into the rest of the hair and it will be like nothing happened at all. For me, I did go ahead and take some edge control and I just went in and worked it in and kind of played with the hair till I got the desired look. I'm going to go ahead and use the edge control from bedeck and a baby hair brush. And again, I'm just playing because I don't want it to be too perfect or too uniform. I kind of want it to be a lot like fun and again not too serious. And then from here I'm going to use the melt belt they provided. It's great to have one of these bands in the color black because it's so discreet, especially for overnight, or if you do have to go out in public. It is definitely better to use a wig band that looks like this where there's no logo on it, because I mean going out with the wig band on is definitely similar to going out with a bonnet on, but this gives headband model look opposed to ghetto just right out of bed look, if that makes any sense. So while the hairline melts, I'm going to go in with my Babyliss flat iron and just chase it with the electric hot comb and soak the hair out. This step is super simple, easy. Anybody can do this. Again, all the hot tool steps that I'm doing, you can definitely do before you put the wig on by placing your wig on a wig head and going in and just straightening the hair out, laying down the parting with the dynamic duo. And that way you don't risk burning yourself or using heat while the wig is on yourself. And you definitely can get a really good finish as well because you'll be able to step back and just see your work and take your time. Now that I feel like we're done and I like the way this looks, I'm going to go in and just tint the lace. You guys know tinting the lace is one of the last steps that I like to do. From here, I'm going to use the Ruby Kisses, and this is a cream foundation palette. You guys can see there is 2 different shades in there. They're very close and similar. One is a little bit more brown and cool. One is a little bit more warm and red. And I'm just going to pack that in until I got it exactly how I like it. it. And then I'm going to take a different product. This is a similar brand. It's both from Ruby Kisses, but this is in the shade 16, and I'm just going to go in and buff this along the hairline. Now you can definitely use a different product. One thing I will say is that I did not like how dark it was on this lace. Typically this is the perfect product, but for this particular lace I did need to go ahead and lighten it up. Once I got it how I like it, we are done, and I'm just showing you guys what was included in my package. You got this dust bag, you got your baby hair brush, you got your HD wig caps, as well as some eyelashes, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out courtesy of Faba Wigs. Direct link as well as all of the details are down there. This is gonna be fun for the summer for a quick switch up. It's giving like a little bit of sexy red, you know, it's giving the vibe. So I'm gonna be outside with this one. You can definitely check her out down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.